students. Here we are going to discuss a question on JEE Mains 2025 April 2nd morning shift. A hyperbola is given, its focus is given and corresponding directrices given. We need to find the value 9 into e square plus L, where e is the eccentricity and L is the length of lattice rectum. Okay. So AE is root 10 and A by E is equal to 9 by root 10. On multiplying we get A square is equal to 9, and we know that equation A square is equal to A square plus B square. On substituting the value of AE and A square, we get B square is equal to 1. So L is equal to 2B square by A, answer is 2 by 3, and E is equal to root 10 by 3. E square is equal to 10 by 9. So 9 into E square plus L is equal to 9 into 10 by 9 plus 2 by 3. So we get 10 plus 6, answer is 60. Thank you.